success. So it's calling silver right here, and today I'm going to be showing you a very simple method of trading. Guys, you can see my trade just smashed TP and it's still going up. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you the best system for you to trade and make money. Stop blowing your account. Okay, beautiful. So before we get started, I'm going to share this. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and follow our Telegram channel. And turn on the notification bell on this YouTube channel so that you'll be notified as soon as I drop a new video. Okay, the link to our social media, it's at the description of this video. So let's get started, guys. So beautiful. First thing I like to do on my trade, you can see I have my key levels here. So I'm not going to be talking about how to set these key levels here, but just know these key levels, they really do a really good thing on my chart. They're very helpful. They help you know your zones. So these are my key levels on my screen. So if you want to learn more about price action, you want to take your trading to the next level, just message me on Telegram so you can join the Forex Academy and get this thing right. So first of all, what this market do is the market moves from zone to zone. Just check it out. It started from this zone, came down to the next one, to the next zone, this zone to the next zone, and so on and so forth. So currently I have this trend line that has been holding this market all the way to the downside. Then this trend line got broken. This clearly shows me that there is issue on the chart. You understand? So there is issue on this chart for my trend line to break. So trend line break, I need to be careful and start looking out for buy opportunity for either reversal or price is trying to start moving in the sideways trend. So on 4-hour time frame, price, this was the last high. Look at this black line here. This is the last high we got before price gave this low. So we kept on watching. If I extend this line like this, you can see the last high got broken. This clearly is a change of character. So right now there is a change of character / break of structure. Now market sentiment is now bullish. Market is now bullish from here right now. So what do we do? Since market is now bullish, we start looking for buy opportunity. I could get a trend line, first touch, second touch of my trend line, and then price came again, give a third touch of the trend line, pushed up. You can see slightly closed. There is a break of structure again. So market has started giving me higher highs and higher lows on 4-hour time frame till market pushed down again to touch this trend line again where I entered for the buy. You can see. So I know price is coming here, but I had to target here first TP because of this resistance level here, because of this resistance level here. So price, you can see price is currently at that resistance level zone. So all I'm waiting for again, I've taken out 80% of profit here. All I'm waiting for is for price to just give me something like a pullback, probably from here. Just give me a pullback to bounce around this OB here, around this previous resistance, which is now support, around this area, then fire all the way to the upside. Yeah, so that's just what I will be expecting, but I know this is the next target for USD So that's just it, guys. It's just a very simple method. So what you need to do, go on the higher time frame, project and see what the market is going to do, then come down to lower time frame and take your trade. As simple as that. Leave your trade to run. You can see 3k profit. This is a 1 to 2, so 3k profit backed on this, and 20% of the trade is still running in profit. Not just this, I have other trades which I took are still currently running in profit. I have USD card and so look at USD card, guys. Look at USD card. Currently running massively in profit. Just the same method. Also GBP card and AUD USD also running in profit currently. You can see I just took this trade again this morning. Then GBP card. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's just how we'll trade and make money from this Forex market. So all you need to do, go on higher time frame, see what the market is doing, then come down to lower time frame and take your trade. Look at GBP card. It's currently coming down for a retest, but guys, I'm still holding the trade. You get trades break even, always do that. So if I have my trend line, connecting the trend line from here to here, it should probably reject the market back to the upside while the buy continues. So that's just it. Thank you for watching once again.